Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Upasona and today we are going to do Little Krishna with Yashoda Maya painting. So without wasting any moment, let's start the video. I have already completed my sketch, so now let's move on to coloring. So for the skin I am using yellow, orange and white. So here I am applying the skin color all over the skin to achieve a perfect look. When it comes to capturing the perfect skin tone, it's all about finding the right blend. So next, I'll be using blue and white for Krishna's skin tone. After completing the skin portions, now I quickly completed my other elements. For the background, I am choosing violet and aqua blue. You will see how our character comes to life as I blend these colors. So we already reached our final part, which is the shading part. Here I am using the brown color to highlight the areas before applying the black color directly. And for Krishna's skin tone, I am using a dark blue shade to highlight Krishna's face and other parts as well. So once the colors are filled in, so now I will be focusing on the areas that need shading. So for shading, as you can see, I use the exact same darker tone of each color. Now I am going to add black color to the eyes to give them a perfect look and shape. So if you enjoy my painting, do recreate it and tag me on my Instagram. So now for the final touches, I will add some black strokes where it needed. And lastly, I am going to highlight the ornaments with white acrylic color. So till now, if you like my process, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and comment down your thoughts about this painting. And if you have any ideas, do share with me. So our painting is also done. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you soon, guys. Bye.